are a golf course that's operated by a local government here in Texas. So it's a small course, public course. There's 9 holes. We have about, starting around 50 members, we're up to 75 members now. We did a very old database, access database is how they kept the membership information. And then we would do Excel spreadsheets to report to the board and the commissioner's court. And the person who was doing the database, she would add or delete lines when we'd have to reset the database. It was all linked together, so when she's running a statement, they wouldn't get correct properly. We'd have to go fix some HTML. No, there's gotta be a better way to take care of it. I just figured there had to be a way to better access database. Set up years and years ago. A great time to set it up. Small course, small members. But the new professor coming on had to use databases. She didn't understand them when she changed lines. She would affect all the things that were linked to it. So this way, we wouldn't have to do so much work behind the scenes to get statements out to the members. Just did an internet search. I went on Google and searched software programs for membership programs, and they came up several times, so we started looking into them. The way he showed the demonstration showed how easy it was to get into the program, get started with it, with very little training required. The cost was extremely reasonable for a small company like ours. It had features that we were using, but it had additional features that we maybe could start using to determine if they like it even more. It made it very easy. They kept in contact with us. They sent us information. They gave us training videos to watch and do on our own time. Our consultant was able to answer our questions. We just sent her an email and she threw right back with it for answers. She didn't make us wait. The training was fairly easy. The software product is fairly user-friendly. I mean, we didn't have a whole lot of things to learn or overcome. And it's just been a good experience. They made it easy. I love that it's pretty much automated on its own. I mean, we were doing so much behind the scenes, trying to get memberships updated and printing out statements, getting them in the mail, getting them out, trying to get it back in. We set the members up. Everything goes through email. We don't submit anything anymore. We're not paying for the cost of postage, the printing, the paper cost. And they like it because they can instantly go on and update and do auto renewal. So it can automatically draft on their account, and they're the ones putting that information in, not us. So they're in control of their spy as well. So it's been good. Yes, I said they're going to do so much behind the scenes. We're doing it automated, running it itself for most of our members. We have a few that are not wanting to pay on the internet, so they're going to come in and making it with us. So we're them on the side. As far as generating it, we're not generating statements anymore. The system automatically does it. It's sent by email, so we're not having to pay the cost of mailing file. It's easy to keep it updated. Members can people go on and look at the status of their account. They can communicate with each other through the correct platform. I would definitely recommend Google. The price would be very reasonable because what we're getting out of what we did care, making our process way more efficient. Our members are being able to get more information faster. They can keep in track with each other. Yeah, I mean, I really like that it's been easy getting hold of someone on Google. If you have a question, they're so quick to get access to it. In contact with us. They didn't just get us set up and you moved up your go on our own. They gave us access to manuals, access to training videos. There are a few features of that I haven't quite found that I'd like to be able to get to, which is members will pick how we're outstanding on views. If I try to get a list of what they're outstanding, that's been a little more challenging trying to figure out what their past balances do. It does shed them off into the required status, like we set them up to be, but if they want to get popped back up, I'll go back and kind of add up the invoices that are unpaid. He was awesome. He was great. Like I said, he got back immediately when we sent out interested in your product and we did a demonstration, and he was multiple times getting back with me, knowing that I had to give the customer support mailing twice a month. So he was waiting on us to get the meeting done, answering their questions, my questions. So he was awesome.